to another episode of Al's Emporium here at the glorious Peace Hall. We are doing our very own vlog again today on our YouTube channel, which we hope you're all subscribing to. Because we are proper Yorkshire folk here at Al's Emporium, we are commemorating and celebrating Bonfire Night rather than Halloween. I'd now like to introduce you to our very own Guy Fawkes. Hi Guy.
Hello.
What have you been up to today?
I tried to blow up the Houses of Parliament in 1605 using 39 barrels of gunpowder, and I wish I could blow it up now because Brexit's getting on my wick.
As it is with everybody, I'd now like to introduce you to the Queen Anne of Denmark. She was married to King James I and had 8 children. She obviously didn't like sewing very much. Hello there, would you like to tell people who you are?
I am Queen Anne and Guy Fawkes on the wrist for trying to blow the Houses of Parliament up.
What would you like to give him?
Here's a coin, here's a penny for the guy.
Nice little joke there. Now Guy, would you like to tell people about our fantastic wares here at Al's Emporium?
Don't mind me just making myself a cup of tea. This fabulous kettle is owned by one of our beautiful cabinet holders that is on sale now. So as this wonderful mirror also on sale. Oh, you look wonderful today, Guy Fawkes.
And what else would you like to spend the penny on that you've been given, Guy?
Oh, I would like to spend it on 67, one of the best cabinets in the shop.
And why is it the best cabinet in the shop?
Because it is my own.
Anyway, have a fantastic bonfire night. Remember the 5th of November, or even better, remember Al's Emporium here at the Peace Hall. Don't forget to subscribe, tell everybody, spread the word. Thanks, see you again soon.